Welcome back to my channel. It's Eva from Noshki's Nails here to do another nail tutorial video. So just to give you guys a heads up, I am using a ring light. Let me know what you guys think of the lighting, if it's way better than what I was using before. If you want to know where I purchased it from, it's actually from Amazon, and I can link it in the description box below. So let's go ahead and start the video. And just to let you know, on my nails are 2 coats of this OPI polish that I had found from TJ Maxx. It's called Elephantastic Pink. And I want to go ahead and use an old stamping plate. This is one of the many ones that I bought when I initially got into nail stamping, and I think this is a cheeky plate. It's plate D. I will be using some of these images here with my stamping gold polish from Hit the Bottle. This one is called Spun Gold. So I went ahead and put the latex barrier on my nails. This is from Glisten and Glow, and it's called Control-Alt-Delete. Okay, so let's go ahead and speed up the video. Let's go ahead and get this started.
Wasted, my heart grows heavy. Don't taste me rushing, keep your words naked. You got me blushing, and you forever I'll follow. You'll be my holy ground. You forever I'll follow. Forever I'll follow. You'll be my holy ground. You forever I'll follow.